Guys, did we just get scammed by Temu? We have a package here and we're going to unwrap, or is it unboxing? We're going to do that together and I'm going to tell you my first impressions, what I feel about the products. Did I get scammed? Did I feel like I got scammed or not? Whether or not you should purchase those products, as well as some tips and answering some of the questions you have been asking about shopping on Temu from my previous videos. I've made a couple of contents on Temu, how to shop and other things. If you've not watched it, I'll leave details down in the description so that you go check them out. This is a video of me just explaining my purchasing processes and what I ordered versus what I got. Let's get into it. Hi there, my name is Apiamara. If you're new here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe and put us on post notification. We make videos on digital and consumer technology, and so if that's something you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe and let's get into the unwrapping. So this is about 9 products that I ordered from Temu. I made payments with my mobile money and I've already made videos on that. So if you do not know, Temu has an option where you can just pay with your mobile money. So once you go to the payment section, you just choose your mobile money, just enter your number, and then you're going to get a prompt to issue the payment. Now the prompt, what I notice is that sometimes the automatic prompt that comes for you to just enter your details doesn't come, so you need to go into my approval, so star 170 or star 110 depending on the network you're using. Go into my approvals and then approve the transaction from there. So the automatic something sometimes doesn't work, sometimes it works. If it doesn't work for you, do the manual approval. So this is about 9 products that I got, and then I don't know, there was one other package that Temu gave to me as a gift for free. I don't know if it is in this package or not. So this thing, when I ordered it, I ordered it on 20th July. Today is 3rd August, so that's like approximately 2 weeks when I ordered it. Let's get to the first package. I don't know what this is. The box looks some way, but then let me just open it and see. Oh, okay, this is one of the glasses that I got, Blu-ray glasses for my eyes. I don't like the fact that it didn't come in any packaging or any bag. When you buy glasses, it comes in a case. This didn't come with a case nor any microfiber cloth, just the glasses in this clear case. I don't know. Overall, I'm gonna give this 5 out of 10. And so with all the orders or with all the packages, I would be giving them ratings over 10. So 1 is the least and 10 is the highest. So let me just take this one off and then put this one on for the rest of the video. Wow, I like the fact that it's not that heavy enough. I mean, this video is not a review about sunglasses. Let's continue. What is this? Okay, this one is the mobile phone case for my Samsung Galaxy S22. So this is what I ordered versus what I got. I don't know, I somehow thought the case would be black, but this is some semi-transparent casing, some frosted metal casing. Let me just put it on the phone so that I'll see if it fits perfectly. Wow, guys, it fits the phone perfectly. I love this orange accent here. I don't know if you can see it. There is an orange accent, yeah, on the phone. I like it so much. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a solid 8 over 10 because I thought it would be matte black, not knowing that this is, but I still love this though. But 8 over 10. Let's get into the next orders. Okay, I actually don't know what this is. This is the package here. Let's just unwrap it and see what is inside. Okay, so this is a wireless mouse that I got from Temu. So this is what I ordered, and then once again, this is what I got. Now let me open it up and see how it looks. First impression. Okay, so this was delivered to me by Speed Up. As I said, 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks to get here. On the estimated time, they gave me up to 1 month. So it was supposed to come somewhere around 21st August. But today is 3rd August and it's here. And I think that is a plus on Temu. And also with the purchasing, Temu, let me just talk about this. Wow, guys, look at this. I like this mouse. Look at everything, and it's wireless too, so you can just turn it on. Wow, this is amazing. And I don't know, it's silent as well. I like the aesthetics of the mouse, but then probably if you want me to just review this thing, I'd probably need to do a full review, maybe a short video on it. If that's something you're interested, let me know in the comment section. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a solid 9, because the packaging, the box, and the product itself, it feels, look at the size, it feels quality for me. So this is a good buy for me. This is a solid 9 out of 10 for me. I don't know if there's any other thing in the box for me to check out. No, I think the USB hub is okay. It's inside here. I don't know if you can see it, so you just need to plug it. Wow, this is awesome. I think I like this one. This is by far my favorite purchase so far. Let's continue on to the other orders. And then this is the ring remote. So for all you don't know, some of the content that I produce are scripted, and I have a teleprompter remote that I always use, but it makes so much noise. So this ring is promising me that I can just put it on my fingers and then use it as a remote, to control. You can even use it to control TikTok or social media. Maybe your phone is somewhere, you just press and it controls. Also, I like the packaging and everything from this one. Yeah, let me just get into the box and see what is inside. Guys, let me cause some mass distraction over here. Okay, manual, papers as usual, more papers, and then this is the product itself. I think it looks quite big for my liking, but I don't know. How do you notice this? So this is what I'll be using as a remote from now. And also, it has a touch screen that you can just be touching. I need to also test this to give you my full review on this. I'll give this an 8/10, just for the fact that it was just a little too big. I mean, maybe you can't see it clearly from the camera, but I thought it would be smaller, something that wouldn't be much noticeable. But then if you want me to also make a review on this, let me know in the comment section. This is quite heavier. Let's unwrap this. Whoa! See, my watches are in. So this is a set of 5 watches that I got on Temu. I think I'll put the price here, what I ordered versus what I got. Wow. If you know me, I like watches. So definitely this is something that I love so much. This is the first one. This is how it looks. Brown. We have the black here. We also have blue and black. Then this is brown, black, and this is nice. You know what? Let me take this watch off and then put on one of these ones and see how it feels. Which one should I try? Let me just try this brown one. I don't like the fact. Okay, this is a watch. I mean, you don't expect much for five watches. Also, I feel like it feels very lightweight with the straps. These things can easily get spots, but then, I mean, let me just put it on and see how it goes. Guys, how does it look? If you know me personally, you know I love brown and black. This is awesome. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this 8 because it feels somewhat, should I call it cheap? It feels lightweight for me. You get it? But then it's an awesome purchase. Whoa. This is where I might start to get disappointed, because let me show it to you. Let me show it to you so that you know what I'm talking about. This is what I ordered. And ladies and gentlemen, this is what I got. I bought a perfume, and Charlie, this one there, I don't know how. Oh, it smells nice too, but I don't know. I thought it was going to be a spray bottle or something of that sort. How am I supposed to apply this? It's some gel. Okay, so I think you just rub it in your body. I mean, it's nice. I mean, this not bad. Maybe you put it in your bag for maybe when you're traveling or something, when you don't want to carry huge bottles and all that. But I'm kind of disappointed because I thought it would be in bottle. I don't even know how to close this thing safe. I thought it was going to be in a bottle like the normal perfume. Even look at the image on it. Look at this. There's a bottle in it. So I expected this to be what I got, not knowing that, it's a perfume, all right, but I didn't like the fact that, this is how it came in. I also bought other perfumes. I don't know if they are all part of this order. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a 5 because I didn't expect it to be this. There's also the LED neon rope light. If you know me, I love LEDs and RGB lights so much. This one, the box also looks kind of wretched here. Let me see. Oh, okay, so this is what it came. I think this might be quite short for what I want to use it for, but I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would actually need to try this to give a review. So let me just give this 7 for now because it looks promising. There are other things in the box. Okay, it has a remote control as well. What is this? This is heavy. This is quite heavy. I think this is by far the heaviest order yet. Oh, see, this is the free gift I got, and I think these ones might actually be, these are watches, 5 of them. So let me just unwrap them and then show them to you. Right now I have a lot of watches, so if you come to my house and you want to fight me, I'll fight you with watches. This is the first one. This is, well, I like the gold as well. This is gold. Then this is black, and then this is silver and blue, and then this is the black I think this is my favorites of these types of watches. I think this is better than the first set I got. So this is also 5 sets of watches. No, this is actually 4. Where is the other one? Or did I mistaken? I don't know. I only had 4, but I think I like this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a solid 8 over 10, because it's quite, it has weight. It's heavy, and so I think it's good. Then another perfume. So I bought 2 of the perfumes. So this is the second one. At least this one comes in some packaging of a sort. I'm just hoping this would actually be. This is actually better. Let me just say it, because at least it has a box. The other one just didn't come with any box, so I won't be surprised. Guys, it's also the same thing here. Wow. I don't know how to describe the smell, but this is also how this one looks. Tobacco. And I think it's also like the other one. I also like perfumes as well. So if in case you are planning on gifting me anything, tobacco vanilla. Okay, I smell vanilla and all that. So okay, this I also give this a 7 out of 10. Let me give this an 8, because the packaging and everything. It actually came in a box. Then the last order. This is the last one. No, there's actually one other. So this is the last batch one. This is what 1,200 words for adults and seniors. So let me just open it. This is a puzzle book. Just sometimes we're just bored, and so I might try my hands on a few and then eventually give it to my kid sisters to just play with it and learn about it. I don't like how it looks. Like, it looks wretched here, and also I expected it to have much more volume, but let's see. Okay, so far as print quality is concerned, this is manageable. This is normal. Night Sky, Desert Life, Dino World. Okay, so this actually helps you to learn about quite a lot of things. I think I'm going to just try a couple and then just give it to my sisters. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this 7 out of 10. Knowledge is power, right? Then this is the last one, guys. This is the last one. So this is a teeth whitening powder. I don't know why I bought this in the first place, but I just saw it and I just felt like, let me just buy this. This is one of the things I bought on impulse, but I don't know why I need this, because I don't know, but maybe I'll try it and it will give me a more whiter teeth. This is a teeth whitening powder. This also didn't come in any sort of box or anything. Teeth bright in 3 days. Chai. So maybe I'll try this out. So guys, let me know what you think. These are the orders I bought from Temu, and what I ordered versus what I got basically. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you would want me to make more of such videos, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, like this video, and Charlie, I don't know why you've not subscribed. Subscribe and put on some post notifications so that whenever we drop more some contents like this, you'd be notified. So once again, my name is Happy Amera. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.